Alright guys, to make homemade pizza, first we're going to make our pizza dough from scratch. We're going to need self-raising flour, some salt, some sugar, garlic granules, basil, and some baking powder. So now we're going to add our self-raising flour in. Oh, and I completely forgot, we're also going to need some yeast. While we prepare our dough, first we're going to prepare our yeast mixture. I have some warm water here, and I have some yeast. So we're going to put our yeast in. And then we're going to add a little bit of sugar and just give it a mix. And now we're just going to cover it and let it sit for about 5 minutes while we mix all of our ingredients for our pizza dough. I'm going to add all of this flour because I'm making quite a few pizzas. And add my salt. Add some sugar. Some garlic granules. Some basil. Some baking powder. Now all these ingredients we're going to want to give a good mix. Alright, so our yeast mixture is all done. Let me show you guys. Look, it's gonna get all poofy like that. See how it's gotten all poofy? Like, look at that. And now we're just gonna... Oh, shoot, I forgot one step. We're also supposed to put some oil in this. You want to put 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. And now we're gonna add our yeast mixture. Start kneading your dough. Start combining it as you go. You need a clean surface, and now we're gonna transfer it over. Just keep going until you've formed a nice dough. I've lined the bottom with some oil, and now look at our dough. Looks very nice. Looks doughy. This is exactly what it should feel like. The longer you let it rise, the better. So I'm gonna leave it overnight, but a few hours should be fine as well. So like if you're making it in the evening, the dough's in here now, and now we're just gonna cover it. Put some plastic wrap on it because you don't want any air going inside, and you want to put it in a warm place. As you can see, it's super fluffy. Look at that. If you guys can smell this right now, it smells exactly like pizza. And now we're just gonna roll it out. Put some self-raising flour on your surface. You don't want to use any other flour. Just use the flour you used for your dough. Make your way. Press it how you would for your normal roti atta. And now just start rolling it out. Once you have it about this shape, you can also roll it out like this. Stretch it a little bit. Because this dough has a lot of stretch, so you can stretch it with your knuckles a bit. Alright guys, we're going to be doing cheesy stuffed crust. So let me show you how to do it. Just take some cheese, an inch and a half, and you want to make a layer of cheese all around like so. Let me show you how. And now you're just going to tuck it. Push the cheese back with your fingers and then twist over. Guys, the dough gets really stretchy. So just put it on where you're going to, how you're going to put it in the oven. Put it on that platter. Alright, we're just going to put the sauce on now. Lather on some mozzarella. The more mozzarella, the better. But do it evenly. Add any toppings you have available. Add some onions now. We like some green chili. Alright, now it'll take about 10 minutes.
Alright, so I've been making this pizza from the beginning. I'm gonna take it out now because it looks delicious. I'm gonna munch on this all to myself. Check that out. Let me just check the bottom and cut it into pieces. Oh damn, that crunch. Woo, it's hot. There we go. Wow. This is Domino's 2.0. And plus, you got this amazing stuffed filling over here.
Ooh yeah, bah.
That pizza is 10 out of 10. It's like Domino's basically.
It's actually really good.
Yeah. Guys, it actually turned out so good. And I'm not even lying, it genuinely tastes like a pizza you buy from a store, from a pizza place. And now I'm gonna tell her to make me some tea so I can enjoy this piece right here.